Hey, it's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent designer with Chalk Couture. So today I'm going to be doing a design for you on an 18 by 24 chalkboard. This is going to be for all my RV camping families out there. This one is going to say Happy Camper. So I am going to be using the Raising Our Tribe transfer as you see here. And then I'm going to be using two different fonts that we offer from Chalk Couture. Now remember, all of our transfers are silkscreen reusable transfers. And what that means is you usually can get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. And for this design, I am using our Chalkology chalk paste. So we do have chalk paste or we have the permanent couture ink, and you can use either one of those on a chalkboard. Now you can do our products on many other surfaces as well, such as canvases, windows, wood, so a lot of different options. But the fun part is that we have so many other font transfers out there that you can create beautiful home decor designs on your own. So if you'd love to learn more, please reach out to me at chalkinwithjen.com. And also please stay tuned because on May 1st, we are going to be releasing our Celebration Spring Summer line transfers. There's going to be 25 new transfers, you guys. So subscribe to my YouTube channel to see all the fun crafty videos I'll be creating for you. Have a great night.